Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about natural home remedies for skin. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. Here are our 10 home remedies for glowing skin. Come autumn and most people I know start to stock up their creams, moisturizers and other skin nourishing products. Here are 10 amazing home remedies for a glowing skin. Number 10. Aloe Vera. This modest plant can be grown practically everywhere, gardens, pots, terraces, etc., and is an excellent rejuvenator for undernourished skin. Scrape out the gel from the leaf, mash it and massage onto the skin. Let it sit there for 10 minutes and wash the skin with cold water and pat dry. Your skin will be rejuvenated naturally. Aloe vera soothes your skin, especially in summers when it faces the sweltering heat. Now that you have these precious natural nourishers, all you need to do is start using them, and see how your skin comes back to life and becomes super soft in minutes. Natural skincare is effective and easy. Number 9. Sugar. Sugar is an excellent skin softener. For best results, mix the grains with either curd or fresh cream to bring back life to the driest of all skins. Take 1 teaspoon of shakar and mix with 1 teaspoon of malai and gently massage onto the skin. Leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash with cold water. Sugar scrubs have long been used for their abrasive nature, that helps exfoliate the skin and help it to glow. Number 8. Papaya. I am amazed at the goodness of this humble fruit and have used it time and time again on my skin in various treatments, and they have all given positive results. Take mashed papaya and massage it onto the skin for 5 minutes. Wash the skin with milk and then water and see how clarified and soft your skin feels in minutes. Papaya nourishes the skin. Thanks to the presence of vitamin A and papain enzyme, it helps remove dead skin cells and inactive proteins, thus rejuvenating your skin. Number 7. Olives. Olive is an excellent source of vitamins. Take 3 to 4 mashed olives and apply it onto the skin and let it dry. Wash off with cold water and pat dry. It will help restore the skin's natural pH. Olives or olive oil has long been known for their health and skin benefits. Olive oil is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalene, making it amazing for hair and skin health along with nails. Number 6. Almond. Whether you are using pure almond oil or almond paste, both are excellent sources of vitamin E, providing nourishment for your skin externally. For dehydrated and dry skin, first massage the face with 1 teaspoon almond oil, and then make a paste of 10 almonds mixed with a little milk and scrub it gently onto the skin. Wash the face with milk and then water. Not only will this help patchy skin but will give the skin an youthful texture, something we are all in constant search of. Number 5. Banana. A common man's moisturizer and nourisher, never underestimate this fruit. Mash a ripe banana and massage the skin with the pulp. Even the driest of skins will thank you for it. Banana contains moisture, potassium and vitamins E and C, which are responsible for promoting clear skin. Use a ripe banana as it has more beneficial effects than unripe one. Number 4. Avocado. The healthy fruit with aphrodisiac properties works wonders for dry skin. Mash an avocado and apply it onto a clean skin, slowly massaging it. Leave it on for a minimum of 15 minutes before you wash off with milk and then water. Full of healthy fats, vitamins and antioxidants, avocados are great for your skin health. Using avocado oil is also one of the best options to keep your skin healthy. Eating avocados is also one way to help your skin glow. Number 3. Milk. I personally love this ingredient. Not only does it softens and nourishes the skin but also makes it sensuous and helps in detanning. Wipe your skin with full-fat milk twice a day, or just splash a small bowlful of cold milk on your skin and pat dry. Milk is known to be one of the best moisturizers for your skin. This one's a great home remedy for those who have a dry skin. Ensure that you apply it regularly. Number 2. Figs. It is one of my all-time favorites. Take 2 figs, injera, and mash them. Mix in with a little milk and gentle rub on the face for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash the face with water and pat dry. This remedy will help remove all the toxins on your skin and help it glow better. The mildly abrasive nature of figs help keep the skin healthy. Make sure you use this face pack regularly to reap maximum benefits. Make sure it suits your skin. Try a sample of this pack on your hand and see if it does not react. Number 1. Honey. Honey when taken internally and externally is excellent for the skin. For combination to dry skin types, take 1 teaspoon of honey and massage on the skin daily. Leave it on for about 10 minutes and then wash. Pat dry and you will see that not only is your skin softer but also glowing. Make sure you use raw honey both internally and externally in order to reap maximum benefits. Organic raw honey is easily available everywhere nowadays. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.